So
I don't see. I see some people are with the different kind of marks, like Taufik Islam from Canada.
yeah, topic along from Canada. They are also on the staff. Staff. Click on the staff.
Uh, let me
How
see.
many of them are there? Three.
Halima Ansari, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, thank you. I'm just checking.
Yes, sir.
Siddhu bhai,
Yes.
let me just start it.
On the
It's good, yeah.
yes, on the staff panel. On the staff panel, you click. You can find three of us.
Yeah, staff, yeah.
On the staff, one with telephone sign.
Yes, that's Mr. Abu Bakr Hanif Organ is the telephone sign, yeah.
Yes. This is our classroom.
But they can hear me.
Atlanta City can hear you clearly.
That's very good. Thank you. So,
Okay.
Siddiq bhai, can I just mute you or you good?
Yes, yes. Just mute them.
Even mute the phone.
Well, they are muted already.
They are muted already.
Until you are unmuted them, they are muted. But for this staff, you need to mute.
Okay, well, guys in Atlantic City, so try to be quiet in the class, so everyone can pay attention. Let's just start it. Siddiq bhai, thank you so much.
You are not a problem.
All right. Guys, you can see my screen, I guess. Tahamina Rashid, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see you.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
I think this is a good one.
Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, class. Extremely sorry for the late. This is Mr. Safiqul Islam. Sorry for the technical late, and this is my first time, so that's why I'm kind of late. I'm just starting right now. My name is Safiqul Islam. I'm a student of People and Tech. Today is my first mentoring about QTP Basic. It's actually from the beginner or people who already know QTP. Like, because I'm trying to go every single details is possible from the book they give us, or the internet, or people they are already in the market, people they're already doing job from them. So hopefully you like the class, and let me just go ahead. So I actually have two mentoring. One is today, which is about the QTP Basic. Another one is 29 of this month, is Monday 3 to 6, which also covered the QTP. It's a basic, and on that day it will cover QTP framework. So if you can get chance beyond that time, see you in that class too. So let's talk about this class today. My plan to cover all of these things: record and run, password encoder, checkpoints, parameterization, object repository, environment variable, descriptive programming, and if I can finish all of that, and then also I'll show you some more stuff. Let me have some coffee, guys. I'm having coffee. Thanks. All right, let's start it. All right, guys. QTP. What is QTP actually? It's a quick test professional. You already know that. It's a functional regressional testing software that can both web-based and Windows, that can test both web-based and Windows-based application. It is owned by Hewlett Packard. You'll know that's HP. Currently the software it has in the market is 11.0, but right now I am using, probably you are using in your computer or my computer is 10.0. That's fine. I already told you that what I'm going to cover today. Let's I already leave it open, the QTP. So this is on QTP page. You see that this is says that somewhere says, yeah, QTP 10. Okay, now about the record and run. So QTP you can open in various way. It's like from here, keyword data driven testing. This is one way. From here, new test. From here, this is third way. From here and here, this is a sixth way. From here, if you have existing file, yeah. So record and run. There is an oh, before that, guys, before that, you know that the QTP is a automated QTP is the automation tools. So you probably have a question that why should company use a automatic test than a manual test? I'm repeating again. QTP does both automated and manual test, but we are only focused on the automated test. And why should a company use automated test than a manual test? Because manual test is time consuming, not robust, uses human resources, inconsistent, harder way to repeat, test and costly. On the other hand, automated test it is faster, robust, easily repeatable, reusable and cost efficient. Therefore, company should use automated testing for save their time, money and human resources. Guys, the PowerPoint slide I have in here, this is all the details I actually gathered from the book. They gave it from the people and tech, and people they are on the market and from online, and people already have job. So these things probably help you to get your questions. People who already know QTP so much, you might want to take a quick look or take a deep look, because this kind of question you're gonna have it in the interview. Okay, so far so good. And let's open and let's try to do some record and run. Actually there are three recording modes. There are manual, there are normal recording mode, lower level recording mode and analog recording mode. QTP uses normal mode by default, which record almost anything. Lower level recording used when there are any recognition problem using on their method, which forces recognition. Analog method is a recognition keyword body input, mouse click and signature. Today we will only focus on the normal mode, you know that. So yeah, okay, let's try to do some record and run. New, go to new, yeah, and you see the radio red radio button, that's for record. Let's put record. This radio button here, record and run test any browsers. That means any browser you will open, that QTP will record from that everything. So yeah, press if you actually put this one, that's going to selected browser it's going to open. So we're not going about that. Let's record any browser, and its default is going to run with the Internet Explorer. Okay, go to start button, click take a very deep look, all program, quick test, Internet Explorer. The page is gonna come right now. Yeah, guys, those who already doesn't have blank, you should blank this page. So to get a proper result of the test, you write www.hotmail.com. Okay, here we need to put some username and password. I already have created. If you want, you can use it too. SOHAIL ENT is right there, I guess. Yeah, this is it. And password is shareable. You can actually work with that, and that is help for signing. So there, this is my inbox. Let me see. No, I don't have any email. So guys, you already know then how you already inside, as Hanif Bhai always mentioned in his class, that you need to see the sign out page. So this is sign out page. That's mean we're already inside. So now click sign out. And close the browser. See the script here, stop. Alright guys, this is it. This is the script that we just did it right now. I'm gonna run it and I'm gonna show you everything in details. Okay, you see this line? This is actually the computer environment and settings from my computer. So I need to delete or clear this line for. Let me just run it one time. Let me see, it's run or not. It should run that, because the environment is setting in this computer, it should run. But if I leave the script like this, it's not going to run in different computer. So if you need to submit these things to your manager, so you have to do some edit scripting that I'm going to show you right now. Guys, I'll take a question after that, no problem. Everything anytime I finish something, I'll take a question. So whoever have a question, you can use the chat window or you can just raise your hand. Okay, this actually passed. Okay. So I was talking about this thing. I'm deleting this thing that because if this script need to run in different computer, the environment has to be set properly, and that is I explore dot exe. Okay guys, this page is synchronization. You see this one and this one, line 2 and line 9. And what is actually synchronization? Let's see what is synchronization. Synchronization is waiting for one object to finish its action to go to the next object. So in the script, you don't actually need a synchronization. If you keep it, it's gonna run the screen. But we wanna do shortcut. We wanna run the script properly. So that's our main goal. So let me delete this. Let me delete this too. And the ID password is here. It's already set. This one said secure. I'm coming up to that. Everyone if you have a question, hold on to that. I'm gonna go details on that on next one. Guys, if you have a space in here, or if you have a, it never bothers your screen. So this is record and run complete. Let me just run one more time to see that it's gonna run properly. It's getting into the Hotmail page. Yeah. Okay, it's passed. You can see the result sheet. You see uh, expand all, and you see everything is good over here. You can just like this, if you click it. So I'll go details on that in next. Let me see if anyone has any questions or not. Oh, no one has question. That's actually very good. I mean, not very good. Sam, my friend. Sam. I guess he's not there. Okay. Alright, guys. I don't need to save these things. I'll go for the next one. Next, I'm gonna show you password encoding. Okay. Go to new. No, I don't want to save it. Okay. Record. I'm actually doing another record and run to see the password encoding. Okay. Start button. All program. Make sure you go like this. Internet Explorer. Go to Facebook this time. Yeah, let's check on Facebook. This is I'm showing actually how you're gonna do your password encoder. How you're gonna hide your password actually. Guys, this is my testable Facebook page. This is not my real Facebook. No one is here. It's just for testing testing the program. So don't add me over here, or don't look for me over here. You can use it. I'll share the password with you, but don't do anything illegal. Oh my god. There you go, it's here. Do the log out. Now close the browser. Stop recording. Let's fix the computer environment. That I told you already that you need to do that, because if you want to submit your script to the manager, you don't want your script to run. So if you don't edit it, it's not going to run to different computer. Synchronization page should be out of here. This two page, I remember that I put in my password again. That's you don't need in there. Synchronization, you don't need in there. And log out account settings. Yeah, I think should run. Let me run this one. It's actually say that it's misspelled, so it's probably not gonna run the script, but it's okay. I'm here. I'll make it run for you. It's actually failed. So guys, if anytime your script is failing, it's nothing to worry about it, because the more you fail, the more you're gonna know that why actually is failing. So let me just do what I wanted to do. Let me delete it here. Just write the password over here. The password is okay. This is my Facebook password, guys. Okay. Delete. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Log out. Close browser. Let's run it now. Facebook takes time sometimes, so it's okay. Don't worry. Let's see what it says. Still says I missed to spell. Okay. To fix that again. Line 7 is the problem. Settings. Link web button. Page. Login. Why don't you just do it again? Go to the code. I'm actually doing it again. Guys, different website they have some different problem, like Facebook they shows problem most of the times, but still I want to do it. But the good thing is it's fixable. Let me see, it's run this time or not. Actually user the web edit box first one did not came. Guys, I'm telling you, this is Facebook. I don't know, let's see this time gone or not. Because Facebook is not happening. Let me just do it the Google. Let me see. Let me just Google let me just do it the Google. Actually, I could have fixed that problem, but the thing is I don't want to waste that much of time in here, because I want to show you guys so many things. And I'm actually trying to show the password encoding. Okay. Okay, sign out. Close browser. Stop. Let's edit the screen. You already know that why we're doing this scripting. Okay, run this time. So it's ran properly, and it's good now. Now guys, now I'm trying to show you the I'm trying to show you the password encoding. Okay, because you see your password over here. When you submit a script, you don't want to show your password to somebody else, maybe not even a manager or whoever. So this is already set secret, but I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's see, if it's not set secret, it's for the beginning, like Atlantic City class. Maybe you guys are beginner. Let's just put write the password over here. Let me see, if you write the password over here, it's gonna run the script too. Just all the password over here is shareable. If you guys want, you can use it. but don't change it and don't do anything. This is only for test. Let's just run it again. Let's see. Just because. Okay, it's passed. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you these things, how you gonna change it to a different number, which is called password encoding. Take a close look. Okay, go start button, go to all program, quick test professional, go to tools, go to password encoder. I'm just leaving it the mouse over here for 5 seconds so you can see all program, quick test professional, tools, password encoder, and then click it. You see, it's password. So it's not actually password mean password, it's mean whatever you want to actually change it. So we want to change this thing. So let's say someone might have a question that password, then this password. No, it's like it could be email that you want to change it to. It could be ID. So like let's you can copy paste or you can write it. Let's copy or control C. So this thing is going to generate. Now you click generate. It sees already different, so many numbers over here. It's going to show us over here, and once you click copy, it's automatically copy and then close. So delete these things and paste that thing that you just copied. See, it becomes so big. We just did it, we just generated it. Let's do for the next one, for this one. Copy. Alright, all program, quick test professional, tools, password encoder. Click generate. Is going to give you so many number. Doesn't matter how many times you click generate, it's going to give you a different number. Don't worry about that. Just automatically copy it and paste it over here. So now you can see actually the screen. And guys, something you need to have in your mind, that you just changed this thing. Now you have to do little more things, that is called, is set. Now after the set you need to write secure. Guys, remember it very well, that because without write secure your script is not gonna run. So right, SECURE, that's mean you secure the password. Yeah, set secure. Space, I don't think that does not matter at all. SECURE. Okay, so if you once again, if you don't write the secure, the password encoder is not complete, and you wouldn't run the script. Okay, now run it. Should run it properly. See, it's passed. Even though your password is not showing on the script, so it's passed, and you know how to do the password scripting. Let me see what is next. Okay, passed already. Now we should do some checkpoints. Okay. Before I do that, let me see anyone is raised hand or not. Click more. Okay, no one has question. Alright guys, now I want to do some checkpoints. Okay, what is checkpoints actually? You just don't do it on the script. Yeah, you'll definitely do it on the script, but the thing is you need to know the things. These are the things that might be asked when you are in interview table. So that's why that's why I'm telling it's important. You take a close look. Actually, you know what it is. I'm probably sure a lot of people already know, but some people maybe they don't know. Checkpoints. Okay, checkpoints are used to verify that the expected value and result that matches the exact value and result. Guys, these definitions are taken from the book. You can take a look at the book. So define some checkpoints. There's actually a lot of checkpoints. Let me just see how many checkpoints are there. See, it's a standard checkpoint, test checkpoint, text area checkpoint, bitmap checkpoints, database checkpoints, and accessibility checkpoints. But as anybody take the class, and when you need to know like only a couple of things, you don't need to know how all of this. Just let's go standard checkpoint. uh, that checks the value of an object property. It checks that a radio button selected. And what is bitmap? It checks that a web page or any portion of it is display as it is expected. Text area. It checks whether the expected text string is displayed in the expected location on a web page or a dialog box. Database checks the content database access by application or website. It checks that a value in a database query incorrect. Let's just do some checkpoints. Guys, one thing you should always keep in mind that in a checkpoints your QTP need to be definitely in the recording mode. Without recording mode, it's not gonna show the checkpoint. See, if you show a checkpoint, is everything is like invisible. So go record something. All program, Internet Explorer. Today actually we're gonna do only 2 checkpoints, the standard bitmaps. So let's actually take a standard checkpoint. Okay, you could take anything from here. Let's say take sign in. Okay, go to QTP is in running mode. Go to insert standard checkpoint. Take sign in. Sign in is web element. Sign in. Okay. It has some values and properties, but that I'm gonna make you understand when I'm doing the descriptive language, and that will be today the end of the session. Click OK. Choose. It should show on the screen. That will take a checkpoint. Okay. Okay, so we're into the Google already, so now I'm gonna take another checkpoint. I'm gonna take a bitmap checkpoint. Bitmap checkpoint is like an, I already told you what is it. It is like a logo or something that you hear. So go insert bitmap checkpoint. Let's try to do these things. Is image by Google. Let's go. It should show. There you go. You see there's logo exactly here. Just okay. Sign out. Close browser and stop recording. Guys, fixing the script editing. You know that already, the purpose of it. Yes, we can run the script right now. Yeah, it's gonna run, but something I'm gonna tell you that the checkpoints that we take two checkpoints. See, so we take sign in, we take Gmail by Google. So you see, it's here on the script. One in standard is here, bitmaps is here. But the thing is, when you run the script, if you try to see the after the running, that is gonna show you. No, it's not gonna show you. It's only be on the script. This part is very important, so just try to keep it in mind. Whenever you have a checkpoints, if you ran it, okay, let's run it, you'll see it's just gonna see get into the website and log in, log out, and close the browser. But the original checkpoint will stay on the script, so the professional will look at it, they will understand it from the script. It's not necessarily it's eventually not going to show when you run it. It's not going to show you getting into the website and log out, log in, log out, and close browser. See, it did not show the checkpoint, but it's okay, it's on the script. That's what you need, nothing else. Alright guys, it's passed. Next I'm gonna show you parameterization. Okay, I hope I'm not going that fast, or I actually don't want to go that slow too. Okay, let's have some brief definition from the book. What is actually parameterization? Parameterization is a reusability of the same code for different sets of data. When you test your application, you may want to check how it performs the same operation with the multiple sets of data. For example, suppose you want to check how your application responds to 10 separate sets of data. You could record the 10 separate tests, each with the own sets of data. Alternatively, you can create a parameterization test that runs the 10 times. Each time the test runs, it uses different sets of data. I will actually give you my own definition too, so you don't get lost with that. Let's do some. Let's start it. Actually, I don't need to do one more record and run. I could just edit this page. Let's just take off the checkpoints. I'm doing the parameterization in the same script. I did not record and run. I know so many people already get bored by watching record and run. So let's just do something different. This is parameterization. Parameterization is very important, guys. Okay, you can use it for further everywhere, even a job. So parameterization is my definition that that we learned from the class, that if you have a job in a company, let's say there is 100 worker and they have all of them has a Gmail account, and you want to check all the accounts in with their different Gmail ID and password. You can basically you could put all the sets of ID and password in the parameterization data table, and it's going to run. It's going to get into every single account, and it's going to sign in, and it's going to sign out. Okay, let's just show that how you let's just do it. Right. One thing important, guys, when you do parameterization, you don't actually need to set secure. Then that time it sets secure it anyway. When you do parameterization, the script automatically does set secure, so nothing on the script. I'm going to show you that. Okay, let's run it. Let's see it's run it properly for parameterization test. For the parameterization test, you need like an multiple sets of ID and password. I don't have that much. I have created three. I have three Gmail account and ID. I'll show it to you guys. You can use it, but don't change it. Don't do anything else. Alright. So parameterization start from here, like keyword view and expert view. Before I go to keyword view and expert view, I like to give you some idea about these two things: keyword view and expert view. I told you in the beginning, guys. There's so many things little that maybe you know or you don't know, but you need to know for your job. So let's go for the book definition, what they say about the keyword view and expert view. Okay, keyword view, expert. Keyword view, quick test, keyword driven approach. Test automation expert have full access to underlying test and object properties via an integrated script and debugging environment that it round up synchronize with keyword view, expert view. Advanced tester can view and edit their test in the expert view, which reveal the underlying industry standard VB script. Quick test professional automatically generated. Any changes made in the expert view automatically synchronized with the keyword view. Let's do that. So this is an keyword view. See ID password over here. We could do this, I could do that, and just click it here. Okay. The first step of key parameterization. Just click in here. You see these things? Just configure the value. That's why you need to click. It's gonna come parameterization. Just parameter data table is like this data table. I'm gonna show you. You just put a name. Just put username. You can put anything. It's not case sensitive. You can just say anything. Username. Okay, global sheet and current action sheet. You can choose any one. Global sheet, we are actually taking that because even next time you save the script is gonna run properly. Yes. Okay. So is username already there? Let me see that. Let me go my expert view. See, his username already here. I just bring my data table. Now let's go keyword view again. Do it for the password. This is the password. Again, look at over here. These things. There you go. Parameter. That's right. Password. Location data table. Global sheet. Current local sheet. You can take anything. It's a current action sheet local. That means this action one for local. So it's better to take this one for future reference. You could was it you could save the test and you could use it for. But the script is gonna run for both of things. So better to take this one. Global sheets. Okay. You see ID is there. Password is one already recorded. I need to write couple. Next write another one. ENT test 1 2 3 177. Right, the third one. QTP. I did miss a spell or not. I did not. Everything looks so good. Yeah. So now if I go expert view, is remember the set secure part is going to be automatically. See See, it's automatically said data table username. So your ID password is not showing in here, but it's showing in here. But it's okay. I'm coming back to that. Let's just run it. Let's just run the test. Let me see. It should run 3 times. It should get into 3 accounts and sign in, sign out, close browser, and do it again. So SOHAIL PNT, one is gone. Sign out. Should come the next one. PNT test 777. Yeah. Maybe I put the wrong password, and how did I do that? I'll go back and fix it. Guys, QTP is very sensitive, and you know is warranted to make mistakes, otherwise we're not gonna run. Let's stop it. Just say yes, I put a wrong password, and that is, yeah, it should be 1 2 3. As I told you, it should run 3 times. Get it with 3 different ID and password. I put a wrong password now, and now I fix it. Let's try run it again. One. Just gonna go to the next one. See, there's 3 pass. How cool it is, right? It's beautiful, right? It said 3 tests to get into that website and pass the test. Okay. Let me see if anyone has a question or not. Anyone has a raise their hand or not? Juma Firoza. Hello. Miss Juma Firoza Newark. Hi. Hi, how are you doing? You are understanding what I'm doing?
Yes.
Anything you want to ask, or are you good?
No. Thank you.
Okay. I'm just testing. Thank you. Salma Parvin. Hello, are you there? Mr. Shahid Qayyum. Mr. Shahid Qayyum. Okay, no problem. If anyone has a question, use the chat window, or let me see the chat window.
I have a question from Atlantic City.
Oh, okay, yeah, go ahead.
Give me a second. Let me get in the mic. Sorry.
Waiting for your question, Atlantic City.
He can hear me. Go ahead.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So actually, one
Mm-hmm.
user ID.
Yeah, man.
User ID, what about it?
Like user ID.
My brother, can you actually come close to the mic?
Oh man. Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
yes.
said,
Can you repeat your question, please?
yes. When I use a application, we use like a default user and password.
Is you try to say when you use parameterization, use different sets of ID password?
Yes.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, that's the purpose of doing this. If you have one ID password, then you could do it one time. So that's mean you have a Google account, your sister has a Google account, your girlfriend has a Google account, your friend has a Google account, or your all the relatives has a Google account. You could enlist it here. I just put it three. You see, you could put 100 or thousands of it. I don't know. You could do thousands or not, but you could do 100, and they that get into their Google account and check their email and then whatever you command them.
No, I ask actually if I don't know their password, I can open their account.
Password, open their account. What do you mean?
Like if I don't know anybody's password, I know that user ID.
Oh,
If possible, can I open their?
no, my friend. I mean, you have to be a hacker then. I don't know about that part. Like you have to have password. This is a legal class, man. No, not talk about that. You have only ID and you want to get into their account. How's that, man? Let's just put in different way. Let's just put that, let's just put in honey by the way he explained. I mean, I'm putting a different example. Let's say you door, you have a, go to your home, you have a door. So if you have door and if you don't give your keys to anyone, how people are going to get into your home? So password is a key, is a key. So
Thank
yeah,
you very much. I am.
you understand. Thank you, man. No problem. Anytime, any question. I didn't know that you guys are hearing me. I mean, that's very good. Contribute with me. That's fun. Otherwise, it's boring that, I'm just doing by myself. All right. Thank you. Good job, Atlantic City. I'm going to come over there to play in What is it? Trump Taj Mahal very soon.
Welcome, man. Anytime.
All right, man. Let's finish it. Okay, now these things over here, you see the 3 ID and password. Even though it does not show in here in the data set, but still it's showing here, but you need to hide in here too, because you don't want to submit any script that shows you ID and password. And how we gonna do that? Now I'm gonna show you that. It's same as like password encoding. Remember I show you from here, all program quick Atlantic City. Maybe you guys are beginner, you cannot write this step. You should write it in your notebook somewhere. Go to tools. You could do it this way, but I'm going to show you another very easy way. Just on one click, you can write your password of this one and generate it and copy it over here. That's too much work. I'm lazy. I'm gonna actually show you the shortcut way, and that is just click in here, then right click. Listening to me, guys, right? Okay. Right click. It's a data. It's a encrypt. Encrypt means it's gonna generate the password. It's gonna change it for you right away, and it's gonna give you big number. See, already generated. Okay. This is like an Excel sheet. You'll be able to handle it, no problem. So let's make this one bigger too, because the password will be bigger too. Okay. Now, same as this one. Data, encrypt. Oh, no, I didn't select that one. I'm just doing again. This thing is very sensitive and very confusing. If you don't do it properly, then probably it's not gonna run your script. Okay, let's do it again. Right click, data, encrypt. Let's go this one, select it. Okay, right click, data, encrypt. Nice. Click in here, right click, data, encrypt. Atlantic City, you can hear me, right?
We can hear you clearly.
Oh, that's very good. Ask me question because you are the only guys that's not muted. Everyone is muted. No one is talking. Okay. Encrypt. Let's do this one. Click here. Data. Encrypt. You see, I told you it's very sensitive. But it's okay. I'm here. I could fix it. Right click, data, encrypt. Guys, this thing, it might take some time. I already told you that this is very sensitive case. Let me see. Encrypt. We're just basically hiding the password from everything. Well, that's not showing in the script, and that's not showing in data table too, because you don't want to give your password to your managers or whatever. We did all of this. I don't know it's gonna run or no, but I will be able to run it. Let's just see what is the problem is. Okay guys, something is very important now. Now you encrypt the password already. This thing is, take a close look. Okay, you see set over here and then data table. Something else you need to add it right now, that because we already encrypted the password, so just write set secure as we did before. If you don't write secure, it's not gonna run your script. You know secure mean anyway, everyone, right? Yeah. Okay, should run. Let's just run. Even though it generated it, but it showing you the same ID. It's not showing the password. Second one, see, it's going to the second one in table. I don't know it's gonna run or not, but it should run. It should go the third one. I see it passes. It's fantastically. Maybe you guys are paying attention. That's why it's passing. Yeah, nice. So the parameterization is over. If anyone has a question, once again you can ask me, or if Atlantic City has a question, you can ask me anyway, because you have the control. Or else I'm gonna move to the next one. The next one will be object repository. It's very interesting, very important topic that you need to use for your entire QTP. You go everywhere, you need object repository. You need object repository, share object repository, local object repository. So this is a very important topic. Anyone is yes.
Show one more time how to actually get the parameterization.
I show one more time the parameterization.
Yeah, could you please?
You weren't here in the class, or you went outside that time?
I've been here, man. Just somebody.
No, it's fine. I mean, you see these things. I'll definitely show you. I'd love to show you that, man. No problem. It's very easy thing. Actually, you tell me which part you did not understand.
I'm guessing data table.
The data table you did not.
Somebody's not sure how to.
Huh?
How you actually got the data table and inputted that.
Oh, how you have a QTP one? This thing you see, look at here, data table. You just click in here, it's gonna come on data table over here. Or let me just hold on. You don't go, my friend. Let me tell you. Look at this thing. Just go back up. Remember the first ID I put. P and T, and just close it. Let's just for an help for you. Okay, so that because we already said secure, you got this part right, how you do it encrypting. Did you get it?
You get it?
Like here, the same way I did it. It's just an ID password, we just change this to the different number. You could do it again, you could do it again, and then still is gonna run the script. And this the whole script is nothing, it's just an record and run a script.
Actually, she did it. She can do it from the keyword view, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah, the keyword view. Oh yeah, that very interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that. Hold on, let me see.
Thank you.
You know that I already have so much thing to cover it. Go ahead, but I'll more than happy to make you explain anything. But on the same hand, or the same time, I want to finish it too. See, even I change it in front of you and it ran properly. Okay, I got a hard question. Whoever is the she? Who is she? Why don't she talk? Keyword view here. So you see the data table. This is exactly the ID and password. So you see that part. Atlantic City, you hear me right? This is how we make our
Can
username.
hear you.
Yeah, they're understanding right? Username here. So under the username, doesn't matter how many username you put it. Clear? Same as password. Just click, take a look, a very deep look in here, like these things. Password, this password over here. Ma'am, you understood, right?
Yeah.
No, don't shy. I mean, I could do it again for you if you want. All right,
Thank you.
no problem, no problem. Let's move forward to the object repositories, guys. I'll tell you, it's very interesting. Okay, object repository. It is a data storage that keep a backup of all objects used in an application. It acts as a translator between the script and application under the test AUT. Well, AUT mean application under test. AUT mean application under test. Okay, because it knows both logical name and the properties of an object. Okay, now object repositories can be done in two-way, or it is two-way actually. It's a local object repository and shared object repository. Okay, a local object repository store object in a file that associate with one specific action, so that can only action can access a stored object. Share object repository. A share object repository store a test object in a file that can be accessed by multiple tests. Guys, this is a book definition, and I have, or we have our own definition that we actually learn from people and tech. That is the beauty of people and tech, that you uh, learn so many things in new way. Yeah, so let's do it, and while I'm doing it, I'm gonna explain to you these things. I don't need to save. Go for the next one, object repository. Okay. First I'm going to show you the important one, which is share object repository, guys. This is important, and then I'm going to show you the local object repository. Okay, the time has begun. That in now you have to some part you have to write from your hand. I'm gonna make you understand this line. comma. Let's just take Gmail. Alright guys, probably all of you know about this line, but maybe I'm just doing for Atlantic City people, they're new over here, I'm repeating. System util until you put system in close process by name iexplore.exe. That means if you have any browser open, is gonna close by automatically. Guys, the new beginner is important for you. Try to get a habit of this line, the line number 1. That because sometimes you forgot, you have a browser open, multiple browser open, so it's gonna basically close all the browser, and your test will be fine. You run the script properly. And system util run, it's giving a command to iexplore.exe, and then it's gonna open the Gmail page. For I'm doing for Atlantic City people, you know what is iexplore.exe, right? It's just going back. Just go to the run bar. If you run it, let's say it's right here, iexplore.exe. It's just a command. If you click OK, it's gonna run automatically. Let's see. You see, it opens the page. It opens your Internet Explorer. Okay. So far so good. After this thing is clear, right? The share of the repository is about to start. So run the script. Run this 2 line. Oh my god. Guys, the L missing. You guys are not helping me, not telling me what actually I'm doing wrong. Okay, now run it again. Yeah, it's pass. It's not the goal is not pass. It's gonna pass anyway, so don't close it, keep it open. Alright guys, now I'm gonna actually show you how to store object repository in a object repository manager, and how to associate with object repository to your script. Okay, this thing is very important. Go to resource. Okay, actually someone sent me a text message about the class, which is good. Yeah. Alright guys, go to resource. I see object repository manager. Go to object repository manager. This thing is important. Why I told you that because in job you have to store so many things in object repository manager, so you need to take a look and you need to do it properly. Okay, this is it here. See this guy, add object to this is called share object repository. You know why it's called share object repository? That because you save something, and I told you that the definition it got from Google, that the definition I got from the people and tech is like it's like a library. You put all the books in here, you put everything. It's like a storage. You store something over here, and you can take that in your script when you need it. Okay, add object. First open this page, then go to QTP, then add local object. See, this is it's a web edit email. Press OK. So it save one. Go To this is very true for password and sign in. Guys, sign in, and you need to do. You already got the sign in, but you need to have the sign up part too, and that you have to do manually too. All right, so let's just test 777. This is, I'm only getting into the website that because to get the value of this, go to object properties, add object and sign out. This is a link, sign out. It's okay, let's add it here too, and that's about it. So this, save this thing, go save as, I want to save into my desktop. Gmail, object repository. Guys, you must have to save this part, okay? Otherwise you cannot associate it to your script. Okay, now close this thing because it's already saved. Now we need to go further, right? Yeah, so you see the page is saved over here, Gmail object repository. Now how to associate that, how to use that in your script. Okay, go resource, associate repositories. Now you actually click in this button. You see, it look like beautiful, right? It's like in a box over here. Select it, open. You see, already the thing is here. So this thing is an action, this action. So drag to over here, press OK. So now if you open these things, oh, someone my friend texts me actually, like they're like, I'm doing good, okay, thank you. Alright, now you go to object repository local. See, this thing is here. That's mean because of associated over here, this thing is already here. Only because I associated, that's why. Otherwise, it should have blank. Oh, guys, there's some difference between local and share. That because this is share, you see, these things are like you cannot change it, you cannot delete it. If it is a local, then you would be able to delete it. So, as you can see, the purpose of that is drag and drop. Okay. What is email? This is an email. Atlantic City, take a close look. You're gonna need this. It's easy. And we take the sign up. You see, it's nice, isn't it cool? Yeah. Just write the value, which is password. You could use your any email address and password. This is the ID password I made for you guys to use it. Now you have to write the browser close manually. Control C, Control V, right, close. The script is ready. Object repository is ready. Share object repository is ready. So you run it, and it should run properly. Guys, I have so many more things to go over. I have environment variable. I have descriptive programming. Yeah, I'm gonna go quick, but if you don't understand, ask me questions. So the share of the repository is done. I'm about to move in local of the repository. Before that, let me see again. The chat window is good. No one has no question. No one has their no one has their hands on. All right, beautiful. So now I'm doing a local object repository. Click. Delete this things. You know that you don't need this. Now I'm gonna use something else because Google is too much. I'm gonna use Neutral. Neutral don't. Let me see. New tools demo. Run the script. You should open a new to demo page. Okay, so leave this page over here. We need it. We don't need a data table, so close it for now. Okay. Let's local object repository. This is a local object repository. Alright guys, see these things is still over here, the share of the repository, that because I did not delete it, I have to. So okay, since it's here, let me show you something different. The difference between share object and local object, you can easily find out over here. Look at the repository. Alright, when it's local, it's gonna see only the local. You can following me, right? But this is because the before script is saved over here. The share of the repository is saying the path where it is actually desktop Gmail. Okay, so let's just go and remove that things from over here. Object repository. You just see this guy, yeah. Just click it. Now it should shows an empty. Still it shows not empty. Okay. All right. Copy. I'm gonna open a new test. But then it's gonna, let's see. It's empty now. See, look how the repository is empty now. That's 2 lines. The marker page is open already. Alright, now use it. Okay, this is for local object repositories. This is an add file again. So you say add to local, add object to local. Actually, you have to leave the, you have to leave this, or you have to leave this page open and then click it again. How? Click in the username part. You see, it's wave edit username. Yes, okay. And then click it again. Password. Okay. Then one more thing we need, sign in. Okay. Then the sign out button, guys, take a very close look. The sign out button you have to get after you sign out, otherwise how are you gonna get it? Okay, EMT test 777. This is the ID. Password is ABCCBA. This is the made password to check the applications on it. Now I'm taking the purpose of this, just taking the sign up button. Okay, go to QTP again, Click in here and then click sign up, and the four things over here. Okay, now you can actually sign off and close the browser. Okay, now see the edit box, username, password, sign in, sign off, everything is here. Just drag and drop, very simple. And the thing, see, I told you already, repository local. Now it says local. So guys, something is very important. When it's local, that means if you do it this way, it's like if you save the script, it will run it, but it's not in the share object repository, and you cannot take it to the object repository manager. In order to take the object repository manager, you have to go in the object repository manager and save it. So this is for temporary. It's a local, that's why. Same thing. Username, password, sign up, sign off, and what's it? Let's just put the value. There you go. Now we need to do the close browser things. This is ready. Let's just run it. Yeah. See, it went into the password, and it went to the website, user ID, password, and it will log out and just browse the browser. It close the browser. Object repository done. Next is environment variable. And anyone understood? Anyone has a question? Not that big question, just question. Everyone good in Atlantic City?
Yeah, very good.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay. So now next is environment variable. So that is a very important topic, guys. All right. Let's just see what is environment variables. Okay. Environment variable in QTP, like global variable in other programming language, which can be accessed through any part of the script. The value of this variable remains same irrespective and the number iteration unless you change them through the script. This variable can provide to be very useful when you want a variable to share across the variable reusable action. There are two parts of environment variable: is built-in and user-defined, and I'm going to show you that when I do it. Actually, I leave it to show them that time. Alright, guys. I could actually do environment variable with this script. I don't need to do another local object repository, share object repository. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. This is the script. You know how it comes, and we did it through local object repository. So let's just do environment variable in this script. This is script. Now we're gonna do environment variable. Now we're gonna do that. We're gonna go files. We're gonna go settings. Say environment. This is built-in and user. Built-in and user defined. Let's just have a definition of that. Built-in. These are internal variables that are provided by QTP. Among those, they can be provide you valuable information like the path of the folder, where the test is located, the path and the result of folder name or location, iteration. User defined can be further defined into two ways. Okay, let's just see built-in what kind of application they have already provided for us. You see, it's built in so many applications provided for us. You can do whatever you need to take it from there, but we need to take user defined, and the page is empty. Let's do that. Let's take say user defined in two types: user defined internal and user defined external. I'm going to show you both of them. Okay. These are variables that we define within the test. The variable are saved when the tests are accessibly only with the test which are defined. These are defined external. They are variables that we predefined in the active external environment variable file. This can be created using a list of variable value pair of in a external file XML format. This thing is important, XML. So when you do an external way, the file format will be XML format, and that I'm about to show you. Yeah. So guys, that's the things that I was talking about. Like, you know, these things, the definitions are you're gonna get asked in the interview table. So you need to take a close look. You need to go to the books, or yeah, you need to read it. You need to know the definitions. Let's just do it. Okay, here I'm gonna do it again because Atlantic City people, the new people, go to environment, built-in, go to user defined, you click plus sign, you just put a name, name for you'll understand. Let me show you all that. Let's just say IE. It's very important that what you put. IE mean Internet Explorer, that I put it. You could put any name. Now you write the original value. So what is IE? IE is IEXP explore dot exe. Guys, in other way, environment variable means, you know, the same thing that you put in a different name. You know, it's like you move things from here and there and you give it different name. You make it shorter. You'll understand it. So this, take the next one. Next one is like URL. URL is like you're giving name, whatever the game. You just need to remember what kind of name you're giving. Mutos dot this is our URL, mutos dot dmod. Okay, see, it's here and it says internal. That was talking about here, internal, user defined internal. External, I'm going to do the next. So click in here. Next is ID. What was the ID? ID was ENT test 777, and now next put password. For take code for password, anything you put, you just need to remember it. EWD password. The password was ABCCBA. Good to go. Alright. See that? So we have ID is equal to PNT test 777 IE. So does not matter which one comes first, which one comes second. It does not matter at all. I say IE iexplore.exe. Take a close look. So I did not make any messy spell. Iexplore.exe pwabc cba URL new towards demo.com. Yep. Go apply and okay, guys, this is the fun, right? This is the format. You have to remember when you put the value. So we put the value as an IE explore. We put value as a IE, right? Yeah, we put the value as IE. Remember that. And before that, you have to write. The fun part is you have to write environment. And how do you write environment? Just to write env control and a space. Nice, man. It came out here. See that? Yeah. Environment. And I told you that the value you need to remember. Again over here, we put int I exploded it. We put IE. Before IE, you need to put environment. env control space is there. For URL new to mode, we put URL. We're just gonna write URL. That is case sensitive, guys. Remember. And env control space. Control space. It's not coming. It's okay if it does not coming. You just write it down. It's fine. It's gonna run the script too. vir environment. Yeah, this is it. So we need to change this thing though. Our ID was ID. We put ID as in our 20777. As a password section, we put PWD to make it shorter. PWD. And before that, env control space. env control space. Okay. Put in a space. Put v control space. There we go. Alright guys, this is very easy actually. You know the how you gonna remember it. You just put a value and name, you make it shorter, and everything you change, just write environment on the beginning. You see, environment. We put 5 environment for the 4 values. That because Internet Explorer has been used twice in our script. See that? Yeah. You wanna run the script? Yeah, I run the script, but it's not gonna run. It will not run, but still I wanna run it. Let me see. See, I told you that's not gonna run. Okay, now this part, a lot of our folks that in Steiner office, New York office, they forgot sometimes. You need to put in, when you put environment, you need to put in quotations. You need to put in parentheses, not quotation, parentheses. When you put in parentheses, remember guys, this is gonna run your script. Just press parentheses all over. Yeah. So now, if you run a script, it should run. Let's see, maybe. So basically, you just make it shorter. You know, beside of username, you put not right thing. You just put ID. You put some code language, and you remember that things, and you plug in here. And before that, you put environment. It's easy. So environment variable is kind of complete. Kind of not complete. It's exactly complete. Let me see. Everyone is good. No more hands and 32 people on the list. Okay. No one has question. Yes, that's good. This means everyone knows this thing, knows this stuff. Okay. And Atlantic City people, you guys are okay, right?
Do any of you guys have a question? Somebody wants you to speak a little clearly.
Yeah, they want to speak me clearly.
Yeah, you a lot of background noise in the back.
I should not have any background. This is a closed room. I mean, there's no noise should be over here. I mean, I don't know. Can you hear? Can you hear me now?
We can hear you clearly, but at the same time, if I ask you a question, we hear an echo.
I don't know why that came from. It's a closed room. It should not have any noise. No one is here. So I'll try. Okay. So I'm moving forward. Next thing, all right. Next we have. Let me see what we have. Environment variable covered. We have a descriptive program. It's kind of big, and I have. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock, and in 1 hour I'll show them that. That's a good timing. Let's just see that. Let's just see that the definition of descriptive programming, what they have for book. Okay. Descriptive programming. Using descriptive programming, you do not store the object in and its property value in the object repository, but mention the properties and value pair directly in the script. In a simple language, you have to write everything on the script and get the value and property by using object spy. And what is object spy? I'm about to show you, and I will show you. Descriptive programming can be done in two ways: static and dynamic. Static descriptive programming is like in a recorded script that you saw already. I recorded 3-4 times. That is a static script. Dynamic is the way, instead of using class name, we use a make class browser to run the script. These things you're not gonna understand, but you have to I have to show you, and I'm about to show you. I'm showing you right now, and I'll show you the make class way and the regular expression way. Okay. So first I'm gonna show you the make class way, and in the make class way, what I'm gonna do is not only every time I just get into the sign in and sign out and close the browser. So this time I'm gonna do something interesting. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually oh, I need to save it. I'm gonna create an Facebook account. I'm gonna actually create a Facebook account by using descriptive programming make class. Okay, and why you use make class, I will exactly make you understand that why do you need to make a make class. Okay, guys. Once again, everything you need to write in hand. That's in descriptive programming. System util dot close process by name. I told you guys, get in habit, new guys, that you have to do it all over again. You need to write in almost in every single script. See that? Yeah, it's the fun part. The S is small letter, capital letter, does not matter at all. But I'm just doing does it look good? If I can finish the both descriptive program in make class and title and regular expression, then I'm gonna, if I have time, I'm gonna show something else too. I'm gonna show you how to create a folder by the QTP, something interesting. Maybe you like it. I'm doing kind of slow, that because these things you need to take a close look. and the and the viewers are need to understand it too. So www.facebook.com. I don't go Facebook that much, so I think I write it properly. Yeah, iexplore.exe, and these two lines you guys already know that. So let's run it. Why would you run it? That because you need to keep the page open. There you go. Facebook page should open now. See, the Facebook page is open now. Okay. Okay, guys. How do you use your descriptive programming? I told you that I told you the object spy. See, object spy. This is the only way you have to get the values and properties of the these things, or web edit box and web link and sign in, whatever. So this is the guy. This is the object spy. That if you just click it here and then go to QTP and just click in object spy, you click in and you go everywhere. There is a kind of values and properties. See, they have look for the login. You see, say class name, it's ABX, it's everything is like a plugin things. Under everything is clickable. You have something in here. They have values, they have the properties, and that's how the website works. Interesting, right, guys? Look at here. Look at here. Different. Everywhere is different. Go to Facebook. Is a web element. Okay. We can use that in very often and very more. So let's just take a definition of object spy. Okay. Object spy. Using the object spy, you can view the properties of any object in an open application. You use the object spy pointer to point to an object. The object spy display as selected object a hierarchy tree and its properties and values in the properties tabs and of the object spy dialog box. This is the object spy, that guy, the guy with the big hat. Okay, all right, let's start it. First, what you need to write, line number 3, you need to write browser. Remember, once again, you have to write everything on hand. Yeah. Now we try to create a page for try to create a page for first name. This one we're working in right now. Okay. Let's just click in this guy, hands, and click it here. Okay. Since you click it here, you see is a web edit. You know, everything is writable. Where you put an ID or password, you write a name. They say web edit. It's a web edit first name. Guys, this is the things. The interesting thing comes up. You see class name is equal to browser. So this is browser. Now we can, instead of using class name every time, this class name, you can just say write class name over here. But instead of this class name, we're gonna use mic class. This is like a kind of formula that you can remember. You can have it handy in your mind. Yeah, only the mic class you write and run the script. If you write the class name or anything, it's not gonna run. But in the regular expression, there are two other things that I'm going to show you. There's a title and name that I'm coming later, but only this part, mic class. Go close, right, mic class, quotation, and then semicolon or apostrophe s. I don't know, however you call it, but you remember it. You need to remember it for your script. And mic class is equal to browser. Write browser again. You need to do everything on hand, guys. This is the fun part. See, we're trying to create a page. We try to create a line for this web edit. Okay, that's what we are working right now. So browser is already created. Browser means this part is created. Now we have to do this part. You know that this is an grandparents, this is an parents, and this is they are children. So put a dot. Now we are creating page, and then bracket mid class. Mid class is something that you need to kind of formula. You need to remember it. And I'm telling you again, if you go to the object spy and close. You need to leave this page open and then go to click in here. Now it's gonna come. See, every time you click here is like a class name. So this mic class is actually class name, but if you write mic class is equal to browser web edit, it's not gonna run your script. So you just, instead of using, I'm repeating, class name, you just write mic class. If you have any question about mic class, you need to remember the word mic class and the why we use the purpose of it, that only because the class name, if you write it, the script is not going to run. So this is a code formula, then the script is going to run beautifully. Great, so far so good. Okay, mic class, and then right page. This thing is clear, guys, right? This thing is clear. There you go. Next I was just telling you, and I'm gonna tell you again, and that is this is an web edit box. And how do you know that this is a web edit box? You go here, you click in here, and come on, why this thing comes every time? You just open on Facebook, and you just go to here, and you see this is a web edit. How do you know this is web edit? This is web edit. Now you're gonna do we're gonna look for values and properties for web edit. Okay, close it. We'll write web edit. Web edit. Okay, since you're right over it, go to the Facebook. Let's use the object spy to find the value. Actually, click in here. All right, now you see there's so many things over here. You can actually take anything or 2 or 3 things. But since we don't have time, I have to show you something more. But I'll take one value. Actually, sometimes you need to take 2 values and properties, 1 values and properties, and if it still does not run, then you need to take 3 values and properties. So I'll take a 1 right now. I'll try with the 1. If it does, the script does not run, then I'll take it twice, the 2 values. Okay, first I take the easy one. I'm very lazy, right? Guys, this thing is very case sensitive. Name and first name, you have to do right exactly any way you want to. That has to be same as in here and in the script. Okay, so you copy and paste, Control C, and I'm remembering the name. Okay, name that I could write it down is a small n, and close it. right? M-A-M-E and paste first name. Beautiful. Quotation close, bracket close. Yep. Now you put set, because you need to write a command. You need to put set for whatever. If it's in password box, then you need to put the password. But what is it? Let me see. This is a box that you need to write your first name. Okay. What is the first name? Let's take any name. Any name. You can put any name. Let's just write. What am I? Let's write Hanif Bhai. A beautiful, great gentleman. Let's just take his name. Let's say Hanif. Okay. Just done. You could write any name, but since we like Hanif Bhai so much, so we take his name. So everyone understood this line, right? First we made a browser, then page, then wave it, and this is the browser, this is the page, and this is the wave it. We wrote everything, and we take a value and properties for wave it. This is this line all about it. And the set, when you run the script, is going to write automatically in QTP Hanif, right? And then you have to do the same thing for this line, last name. So basically this line and this line is same, right? So what are you going to do? What I'm going to do to save time, see here, that is also wave it. Okay, I'm going to show you how that are wave it. Let's just copy paste up to here, because these things are same. Control C. Okay, so I told you that this line is a wave it. Now I'm going to show you this is wave it. Why? How is wave it? Go in here, observe spy. This is wave it. So this line and that line has actually no difference. Only the difference will be the values and properties. So since I'm here, let's take some values and properties. Okay, let's take name. Okay, this is name. Let's just copy this one, last name, case sensitive, so you need to exactly copy it, whatever it is. The name, I'm gonna remember it. Name is small name. Control C, close. I'm taking one values and property. Let's see if the script does not run, then the name was a small level. If the script does not run, then I'm going to take different sets of values and properties. You just put comma and you can add another. Let's paste it. Last name. Yeah, there we go. Don't forget to put your dot. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I was telling you that if it does not run, then you could put in different sets of values. You could easily put that in this way. You could put it here. You put two quotations, and you could put like HTML tag or whatever if you need to, and you could close the browse. But since I want to try with the one values and properties, the main purpose of to run the script. So if you run the script, then we don't need to take two values and properties. Why would you waste our time, right? Yep. Next, I write set. Okay. What last name? What last name should we give for Mr. Our respected Hanif Bhai? Last name. Let's just put PNT. Yeah, let's put PNT. Yeah. Guys, these are just a fake name. You could put anything over here, next line, just see. And see, this is wave it, this is wave it, this is wave it, this is wave it, this is wave it. Let me prove you that if you have any doubt. To make it shorter, see, this is wave it over here. Yeah, look at under the value is wave it. Look at under the value is wave it, Look at another value, it says waiver it. Guys, in the definition is said something like a tree. Okay, like here. Look at here. The object spy display the selected object hierarchy tree at its property and value. And this is the tree. Look at here. This is the tree. This is the tree. Browser, page, web table, and web element. This is the tree. Here they talk about. Okay. Let's continue. Next, so this, since it is in web edit, we have two more web edit for ID and password. Can I actually take a 1 minute break? 1 minute break. I'm just coming back. 1 minute break. Guys, don't go anywhere. 1 minute break. You know, I want to finish everything. I don't have to write. Just give me 1 minute. Let me just come back in 1 minute. Okay. Let me just get some order.
You can have 5 minutes, sir.
5 minutes.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Let's take a 5 minutes break. Okay. 5 minutes. Guys, I'm back. Can you hear me? Basu Malik, Jayanti Basu Malik. Can you hear me? Virginia.
Yes.
How is it? You understanding it?
Nice. Yes, it is nice.
Yeah, okay.
It's okay.
No question, right?
No, thank you.
If you understand up to this today's session, you like 40% of the QTP you're complete. Another 60% that I'm going to cover on my next framework part. So this is a border.
Okay.
This is a border between in QTP between framework and the regular stuff. And
Yes.
this is very important that because when you fill the job interview, I'm muting you. You're good, okay? Thank you, Jannati.
Okay.
This is very important because when you take an interview, they're gonna actually take a question of this little question, object repository, environment variable, and share object repository, and parameterization stuff. So that's why maybe if it's feel like you know it, but sometimes you don't know it. Okay, we don't have that much time. I'm gonna finish it. I have like a half an hour more. So let's get back into the work. Atlantic City, you're here. My dear Atlantic City. Okay.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, so we are starting. Okay, we don't have that much time. I want to finish it. So I'm get back to the work. Okay. Okay. Next I'm gonna do what I do. I already did for first name and last name, which is this two button. Now I have to create a page for email and re-enter email and password. Actually, 3 wave edit box that I have to make it. I have to create it right now. So that's great, and this is very easy. Since there is a 3 more wave edit we have, let's just copy and paste these things 3 times, because one for copy, paste, paste, paste. Make it very easier, this is for a email address. This is the second one for a re-enter email, and that for a new password. Basically we're covering all the web edit box. This is all our web edit box that I mentioned it, and you know that too. And if you let me show you that one more time. This guy, object spy, always helpful guy. You need it for through entire QTP course, frameworks and everywhere. So web edit, web edit, web edit. Okay, these things are different, and I'm going to talk about them later. There is web list. This is a web list 2. This is web list. This is web list. Okay, so right now I'm working on this 3 part. Okay, let's just finish it. So this is web edit. Let's just find some values and properties from there. Okay. Now I have to kind of do it quick because time is running up, and I have to finish it, and I will finish it, inshallah. So I'm looking for email value. Okay. Let's take the easiest one. You can take anything, guys. I'm telling you, you can take anything of the okay, something important. You can take anything, but you should take something that actually cover that actually similar with the box. Let's say when the last name, first name, we take last name, first name, so similar. So this is email. Let's say something we have email or not. We should have something. we see this is name. So we have already take. Look at that name. We take this one. Let's see regular email. So we don't have anything similar. Let's take this one. So regular email says write in different way. Just click in here, copy name. I remember it. Write it the same way. Close it. Paste. Yeah, and the quotation is there too anyway. Bracket close. Accept. And okay. Small letter, big letter doesn't matter at all. So now actually you have to write your email, right? So what kind of email you put? You just put any email. Just say no. It doesn't has to be proper email. Just say write it A B C D E F G whatever at the rate of yahoo.com. You can make anything, no problem. Next one. Go to email and then what is it? Re-enter your email. Okay, just find a values and properties for that. Re-enter your email. Re-enter your email is this one. Is web edit. So that take something name. Let me see what is the name in there. Regular. Let's copy this regular email confirmation. You can take anything, but I'm just make it easy. I'm just putting name so script run easily, simply. Then name I just remember it and then small letter n. Okay. Case sensitive guys. Copy. Name. Paste. I'm missing one equal to over here. Set. So it's this things again. A B C C G whatever. Copy and paste in here. Control V. Nice. Okay. Now you have to do something for your password. Go to the Facebook group, password here. Top the spy guy. Click on hand, password sections and password. Anything you can take. Take name, regular. Just copy this thing. Copy. By the way, anyone could have a question maybe from Atlantic City, whatever. Yeah, you can take anything from here. But main purpose is to run the script. So take something better, which says like in password box, you take password. Email box, you take email. Last name box, you take last name. So this is something easy way to remember it. But any value and property should run. If it not run, then take couple of 2, 3. I told you in the beginning. Okay. Copy these things. That was name. And Control V. Let's set. Set is a command that you need to write in quotation. Just put any password. The password could be password. What it could be? Password root site. Okay. So now next Next I have to work on these things. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this all are wave list. Okay, let me see how it does that wave list. See, that was wave edit in the value, but if you go in here, it's a wave list. This is wave list, this is wave list, this is wave list. Okay, so let's just 1 2 3 4, let's just make 4 line for web list. Here should be web list. Copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. It's a 4 line, right? Yes. Ctrl V, and last one. Ctrl V. This remains the same. So now it's list. How do I spell the list? Is it a capital letter or big letter? Let me see. Web list. Okay. You see that? Web list. Interesting. Okay, so after web list you said just go to here. So say what sex are you? So I'll put male, and how do I do that? Go to over here, click in here, click in here. Let's take the value and property. Let's just look for the name, and it said name, and it said sex. Okay, and sex. Okay. Copy. Now you should not write set anymore, because that things is list. You have to actually write select. Is there already? See, select. To select you put after select you put mail. Okay, nice. So next one will be let's go to the next one. Let's say birth month, then day, and then year. Okay, this is for finding values and properties. For this one, click it here is web list, and let's go by the name. Name is what is it? Birthday month. Copy this thing, because copy, close, and we write name. Name is case sensitive too, but we know it how to write that. So now you put Ctrl V. There you go. Now you put select. See, it's there already in the option. So you just enter it. Is here. So now it's basically asking for an part month, what month is born. So just write February. Guys, you have to take a close look over here, but because I'll show you right now. Okay. See what it cannot write February. How the way is they selected over here? Look at that month. You have to write like this: DECNOV FEV. Okay, so that's how we know it. So write FEV, then we wrote it. Okay, then the day we're gonna select it for the next one. Okay, let's see. February. Nice. Looks for the value for the values and properties of day, right? Is a word list. We'll go to the name. Let's say birthday. This one. Copy it. Control C. Name. Control V. Select. And then put number, right? Any number. This says 12. That's actually the day you born, whatever the Facebook day you born. You're making up. I'm not serious about that. You make it up. Now we have to find for year. Year you have to write it like this way. Okay. So quick test values. Click in here. This is web list. Since we did everything with the name, we look for the name. So birthday year. Birthday year. Copy that. Name is sensitive, we know that. Equal to, and then control V, birthday year, and we put top, then select is there, two petitions and search for 1986. Okay. That's, you could put any year you like to say, no problem, I don't mind it there. The next and the last thing, I guess, last thing is what? Sign up. This is the crazy guy. Sign up. Okay. So we have to go see it. We'll just copy up to here. Control C. Control V. And there is where we have to see where is it actually. Click on sign up. This is a web button. This is something new. Web button. See. And then we have to find some values and properties. And then let's take some values and properties. Okay. Let's take something similar. Let's say something where it says sign up. I've been saying that, right? Oh, sign up is the name. Okay. Nice. Let's take that. Sign up. Copy. Name. You go to sign up, then paste, quotation, paste. Dot only here, no select, only here you only put click. Click should be here. There you go. Let's just run the script. Let's see run or not. It's probably, if it's not run, then we have to take some values and properties here. Then I'll take it. But let's run it and just close these things, or it's gonna close automatically anyway. Run. Okay, it's gonna open on Facebook page. This is gonna write first name. Come on. You see, honey people and take everything. Oh, the line number 12. See, I told you, everything runs so quick and so good. Only the sign up button did not click, and that because of did not click, so we have to take couple of values and properties more. Let's just do that. Let's just take what else I can take. Let's take something HTML. Let's take something. I told you in the beginning, guys, that sometimes you need to take a 2 and 3. Let's take 3 this time. So Facebook is here. See, everything that I type is already written here. Isn't it cool, guys? It's cool, right? Okay. Let me just get some values and properties here. Sign up. Let's take HTML tag. You know, sign up button is a sensitive button. Input is in capital. I could remember that. Yeah. Okay, we input, right? I write it properly, right, guys? Yeah. Let's take another one. What I can take. Let's just say this one too. Disable is sometimes is index. So right, those disable is 0. So right, index is equal to 0 because that things if you go to the object repository here and see that page, you see the index is they put it become like the 0. So we actually taking this disable is equal to 0. So instead of disable you put index, that because you could change it. You could even add more values and properties. Yes, it looks okay now. Looks okay. You see that this is honey boy. I put this name and on the script and email address, password, mail, and February 12, 1986. Close it. Let's see if our purpose is just to click the sign in button. Run it. See, it's cleaning up the sign up button. It should say passed. See, it passed the case. Click the sign up button and it's passed the what is it? There are existing account associated with this email. There are existing accounts associated. There is email like this. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next page. Let me just change it. Hold on. I should go to the next page and show something different. So it says that this email they already have it. Oh, nice. That's nice. ABC 100. Let me just take ABC 100. Our test is ran already. It's a fast 100%. But since I want to go to the next page, I want to go see the next page is gonna go email and check it. Run it again. See, so it went to the, we put a different email address. We went to there, say confirm your email address, go to abcyahoo.com. You have forwarded. So yeah, if you just do the following things, you will make a new Facebook account. We don't need that. Our purpose is just to click it and write it, and that runs properly. I mean, I don't know, I saved this script or not, but I don't need to save. No one need know what. Let me ask Atlantic City people, they understood or not. Atlantic City, you good? Atlantic City. Maybe they're on the break. Let's forward to the descriptive programming regular expression. The descriptive programming regular expression. This one. This we have like 20 more minutes, maybe 10 more minutes, but I will be able to finish on that. No problem, guys. Let's start it. New test, okay? Before that, let me just save it the time. Let me just copy this two line, so I don't have to write it actually. No, we don't want to save the test. I'm kind of doing rush. I'm kind of wrapping up there because 6 o'clock is the last time, so we could finish it already that time. So yeah. Okay, this is an this is called regular expression. This thing you actually use it more in the uh, in public function, in custom function, in KDM, and any other place. So this is very important that you need to learn it. So this is very easy. Take a quick look. Let me show you right now. Regular expression. So regular expression only can be done in two ways. As you see, we used to use mic class. Now we're going to see title or name. Just put title or name. So let's write it. Browser. Well, we already start doing something else. It's called a regular expression of descriptive programming, where the code language we need to use is a title. Okay, let's start it. Let's add comments. Close these things. Run these two lines first. To open an Gmail page. So now we're gonna do Gmail on descriptive programming regular expression with the title. What is it? This does not look Gmail. No. You don't miss this for Gmail. Running now. Okay. So this is an web edit. This is an web edit. How do you know that this is web edit? Let's go use object spy again and see that this is an web edit. Next one is web edit 2. So let's start writing your script. Guys, this is important. That is something you need to remember over here. Write title, TITLE, title. dot star. So guys, I'm staying leaving here for a couple of seconds. Look at here. It's title semicolon is equal to then dot then a star. This is a code language. It's called regular expression. You have to remember it. Just remember it, and since you do it until you do it, you will understand in some days. Title semicolon then equal dot then a star. This is star, and don't forget. Okay. Then next we make a page. PAGE. Let's do the same thing. Let's do title 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 dot star. Now we put for favorite. You know that this is, how do you know this is favorite? Gmail object spy, click on hand. This is favorite. Since we are here, let's take some values over here. Okay? The values are let's take name. Name is equal to email. Name is equal to, this is same like an the value and property that you take is same like an mic class way. When regular expression, same thing. Copy it. There's edit and then comma. We put two quotations in there, and then we put name. Then it's equal to that. The same thing that we do when paste. Control V, email, right? Beautiful. Quotation close. Set. Now you put your username. What do you want to put? So I put my username. And that for that. There is SOHAIL ENT @gmail.com. But you need to write that. So guys, these things we are making a line for favorite 1. Let's make a line for favorite 2. Password is the same thing with just the value and different value and properties are different. So let's copy up to that. Copy up to that. Easy, right? Very easy. Copy. Paste. Now I'm taking again I'm taking 1 values. If it does not run, then I'll take a couple of values, maybe 2 or 3. Okay. Go here, look for the values, go to object spy, hands on this one, and it's favorite, you know that. So let's take let me see, name. Let's do name. Name is the easy one. Let's take a pass. Copy that. Case sensitive. Copy. So again, name, then paste. Okay, and that. So password is shareable. Password is for you. Okay, I'm making easy password for you guys. You can use it, no problem. But don't do anything illegal. Okay. Next, I have to look for values for this one. Sign in, but before that, these things are same thing. Copy that. Now we have to see what is it actually. What is it? Web edit, web link, web button, something. This is a web button. Yeah. web button, Control C. Control V. Now take the values and properties. I'm taking one values and properties. Let me see. Let's go this guy here. Click in here. Take the easiest one. Take name. Sign in. Okay. You can take anything. I'm repeating again and again. Copy, sign in. The main purpose of just run the script, so whatever you like to take you can take it, but it's a very smart things to do. Like if you are in web button for username, take username. For password, take password. For web button for sign in, take sign in. Okay, so copy this thing. Sign in is the name, close, and then name equal to paste. Set. I don't think we need to set. We need to write click this time, okay, because it's gonna actually click it. Yeah. Nothing to. So next we need a sign out button. For that we need to get into the website first, and then we have to get the sign out. So let's take it quick. So PNT. Now we just take the value of properties for this. We test. Before that, copy in here for that. Let me see what is that. So this is in link. See, this is in link. Like the web button, this is in link. So we write the link, and let's take an values and properties since we are here. Name, sign out. See, we're taking something similar. Sign out button, copy, close. So this is a link. Name, paste, sign out, and then we put click. Guys, we're almost there. About to finish our programs, and so it says sign out you already take. Now only you need to just close browser, and that you can do just Control C, copy, Control V, paste, close. See, that's it. It should run this time. Let's close these things. So this is an regular expression of title using descriptive programming. So let's run it. Let me see. Should put the values into ID and password. This is sign out. Close the browser. Yeah, it passed. Guys, something else need to be point to be noted. Very important. Title. The regular expression could be done only two way, with the title or name. Just put name. Even if you put name, it's gonna run it. This is everything. In every place you just put name. If you write anything else, it's not gonna run your script. But title and name is same thing. Whatever you like, you can put it here. I'm just changing for you. I'm just gonna change it, and I'm gonna show you the script is running. So instead of title, just putting name, anything you like, title or name, but it has to be one thing. You cannot write both. Let's click Control V. So we're just changing to title to name. Control V. Okay, see, everything, the script is like same. You just put title, instead of title you put a name. Let's see if the script running or not. You following me, guys, right? Yeah, it ran. It ran successfully. It passed actually. So this is it. This is all about it today that I supposed to cover. Here next is any questions you have, and once again recap. We just covered today record and run, password encoding, checkpoints, parameterization, object repository, environment variable, descriptive programming, and how to create a folder by QTP. I can show you that, but let me see how many people I have already, or already people are left. 28 people are here already. I'm gonna ask someone. Mukit, Mr. Mukit, are you hearing me? New York, Mr. Mukit. She's not here maybe. He's not here maybe. Halima Ansari, you are here.
Yes, can tell you.
So how is it? You like it?
Oh, it's excellent. Yeah, it's very good. So it's very fine.
So I'm actually telling you. I mean, I have an. I'm actually show you. I have in my another presentation about the QTP framework. So that is
Okay.
that's it. That is gonna cover these things. So basically, I'm covering everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So you already learn 40% of it, and this is 60%.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
true.
nice.
It's not possible in one mentoring to share this thing.
So now I have
So
an.
I'm going to join another mentoring.
Yeah. So
So,
that is 29. Okay, 3 to 6.
okay. Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. Anyone else? Atlantic City people, what's up?
You was using title.
Yeah. Go ahead. I like to hear the question. Atlantic City. I just heard something about title and name. What was that?
Which one was that?
I can answer it. No problem.
Yeah, you just use title and name.
Name.
Yeah, you use title one time and now.
Yeah. Can I talk to that guy who is talking right now?
You are talking to him.
Oh, okay. I'm saying, yeah. If you write in title, that's gonna run your script. That's like a code language instead of using class name. And you can also write in name, but you have to write one at a time. If you do it the name, you do it at the name. If you do it the title, if you do it the title. But anything else you're gonna write, it's not gonna run the script. Only two things. You can write it on your piece of paper. It's title and name. So whatever you feel comfortable.
Okay, same thing, right?
Did I answer your question, brother?
Yeah, that's good.
Anything else that I cover? You wanna stay more? Then you know that the 29 3 to 6. I'm gonna show this thing: public function, custom function, function library, ODBC connection using Microsoft Access, data driven, Microsoft Excel driver script, KWA data driven, which is the hardest one, and at the last and hybrid. Let's see how far I can finish. Questions. So it's New Jersey is fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
So I mean, you guys want to be with me more, then I'm going to show you. I can show you how to open a folder by. This is something interesting by QTP. Let me see. What is Mr.
Go ahead, we're here.
You're here, right? Let me see me like this one. How to create a folder by QTP. That's a very short things. Okay, let me just see that they are able to close or not. That because they have a class. Let me take somebody else. Halima. Halima Ahmed, New York. I think she fall in sleep. It's okay. Mir Hossain. Mr. Mir Hossain.
Yes, I'm hearing, sir.
How do you do, man? Was that helpful for you that I show you?
Yeah, it's actually good.
It's actually
We
good.
understand everything.
You understand everything. That's mean you know that. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, thank you so much for attending. So you're following the next one if you have time. That's more fun part. The hybrid, I mean the framework. This one, 29 3 to 6. Okay. Thank you. Alright, guys. Since all of you here, let's just do it. Let's just do the how to open a folder by QTP. This is something. This is not big. This one, how to create a folder by QTP. This is fun, and after that we're gonna wrap up the session. That will be for day today. Let's just see that. Let's just do that. Okay. I am not saving this part. Let's do menu. So right now I'm showing you how to create a folder by QTP. Use right set, object note equal to. For the new people, it will be kind of hard for you to see. I mean, this is something like functional. Just look at it. You will get it. Create object. This is something that you need to remember it, or you could write it down somewhere. That's like a formula. So there, HC scripting dot file system object. So it's a scripting.file system object. Okay. Next line. This is very short. This is like a two line script, and you're gonna show something on desktop. You're making something. Okay. Object note. This is like anything you can make. Object note, object file, object. This is just something made up, and then create text file. Alright guys, so let me see, I could do it or not. Let's go to, I need to find something. Let's go to take a path. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is me. If anyone doesn't know, let's make a new folder. Just say today. I'm giving a name of the folder today. Let's give it a shortcut. Get the locations where it is. Get the properties of it. Copy these things. So the folder I'm gonna make it, the file I'm gonna make it is gonna be in this one and this one, be in both of this. Now you have to paste it in here. Okay guys. So look at here, this is empty. This is empty too. So let's write something. Let's give a folder name. Let's just say let's just say / let's just say QTP. And you didn't this is something very important, that you need to give an extension, that what kind of file you want to make. You're gonna put Excel, like Notepad, or what file. So let's just put some like Notepad format, that is like, I guess, text. Okay, let's now run the script. Oh super, it said done, pass 0. Let's see. So we need to look for the QTP text file. Let's see, did they make it inside or not? That was empty now before. Now see, they already made a text file. Clear about that, right? So now you could do right. This is something text, comma. This is the format of the file that you could XLS. Okay, uncomment this wherever you want. You can put it in. Guys, you know what is yeah, go ahead.
Can I ask you one last question before you leave?
Yeah, sure.
Suppose you created a text file. Suppose I want to put some data inside the text file. Can you do that from the QTP?
You want to put some data in the text file. This way you can put it. Why don't you just write it inside in here? I mean, I understand your question, that you want to put write ABC, right? You want to put something over here, right? So
exactly, but I wanted to know if you could do that from QTP.
That part I don't know yet, brother. I'm a student, you know. You probably could do.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So what I was saying, you can still put text file, docs file, Excel file. Let's just write something. Let's make something else. Let's make let's put the name of some of the file before, and let's just change the extension. Let's put docx, and let's run it. It's done, it's there. Go inside. See, you see another file, another white file that we made before. Let's take an let's make an Yeah, what actually that guy was asking from Atlantic City, if I tried it, if I have time, then I could do that actually. I'm thinking it. Whoever you are, brother, I'm having a question I'm putting in my mind and I'm going to do it in my own. I don't think I'll be able to do it. So let's do an. Let's,
Not a problem. I just have that question in mind.
what's your name, by the way?
It's Rafiq.
Rofik. Oh, yeah, man. Good question, Rofik. You made me think, man. I'm gonna do that. Appreciate it. Thank you. So you are joining the next session. You like it? That next session is about framework. So I'm basically covering QTP, everything, every single possible things. So if you have time, join on Monday, October 29, 3 to 6.
Yep, I will. Thank you.
No problem. So there's so many format. I have any Excel, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and text. I'm making 3, and that's about it. Let's run it. I should say in the 2 days mode. Yeah, you should see in this one 3 folder before after QTP. This is Excel, this is Microsoft Word, this is Word file. Let's see if it comes on the shortcut anywhere. Yeah, it's there too. Okay, that's done. So guys, I'm done. I'm about to finish, or I'm finished. Shabak khair. Alvida. Have a good one. All right. Thanks for attending my session, and I'm contacting Mr. Said Bhai. Hello.
Before you leave, can you have a question from my here?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Mr. Hassan wants to know, you created a file, you created a folder and a file. There be any purpose to that from QTP? Say, like, there was a scenario?
That's a good question. No, that's actually for fun. Probably you're going to need it when you're going to work. This is something upper level. This is something when you know function and when you know framework and stuff. No, this is not for any purpose. This is for you can when you know QTP more, you wanna run how to YouTube. You wanna run in QTube. You wanna do everything with the QTube. Let's say you have a work, you need to check your emails, you wanna do the parameterization. Actually, you wanna use your QTP in your regular life. So that's why. So this is no purpose. This is for fun. This is something that you do.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thanks for attending class. All right.
And thank you for the session.
No problem, man. I'm joining you guys on Monday. By the way, how many people in the Atlantic City class? I'm just curious.
15.
15?
It's probably around 40s. I just didn't count.
Oh, they all attend this class?
Yes, they're all attending
beautiful,
this class.
man. Thank you guys, man. Beautiful. You guys are the original true spirit. You will do it, man.
I appreciate the fact that you think that.
Yeah. I'm trying to see where is Mr. Saeed Siddiq Bhai. I'm just stopping the session anyway, so I cannot reach him. Let me do it my own. Before I go, let me see anyone has a pending list. Sam, can you hear me, Sam? Salma Parvin.
Yes.
Hi, Salma. Was that understandable? No, I'm saying, did you understand the class? Oh, okay, whatever. Thank you. Thanks for attending. Bibi Sultana.
First life. Thank you very much.
Bibi
That's
Sul,
fine.
Bibi Sultan, I can hear me. Everyone is wrapping up for the next class. All right, thank you guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on Monday, 9 October 29, 3 to 6. I'm stopping showing my screen. Okay. Hello. Yes. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, okay, okay. I got the question. Okay, let me just close the computer. Okay. How? Where did you get my number? I didn't pull up the number. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. He's on the forum. I see. Yeah, yeah. No problem, no problem. Okay, the descriptive program you asked me is the dynamic or static, right? So both I did is dynamic. So your question is then what is a static, right? A static is that it's just a record and run. The script is a static script. Right? Yeah, yeah. Let me make more clear to you. Yeah, that is a record and run. That is a static way. So that you don't need to pay that much focus attention to that. You just need to do a dynamic way. So dynamic could be done in three ways. The, one is with the mic class that you see with the Facebook, right? That is the mic class one is not an regular expression. It's just in a dynamic way. A regular expression could be done in two ways, right? Yeah. So regular expression can done in two ways, which is a title that you saw that I did in a Gmail, and the name. Clear? Did I answer your question? If you need the yeah, go ahead. So yeah, you are in Virginia class. Oh, was the people in the class? Mm-hmm. I see. By the way, can I ask you like in which stage you are in QTP? How much you know about QTP? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So pretty much you are a beginner of QTP. So my name is Sohail. What is your name? Can I ask you that? Labani, na Babani. Babani. So Babani. Yeah, QTP is like the computer course you're doing right now is like 60% of it. The no, I live in New York or whatever, but you can still contact me if you think. I mean, I kind of know TTP stuff. I finished everything, so I'll be more than happy. If you need a stuff, you join me. I can help you out. I have so many videos that I recorded and I have stuff. So if you ever need it, just I'm gonna remember your name. I'm not saving your number. I'm gonna remember your name, Babuni, because that I never heard about it. So I'm gonna that will be my object repository. That will be in my head. That will be saved in somewhere. No, you call me for QTP purpose. Yeah, definitely. If I can, I'll definitely help you. And. Mm-hmm.